This is a guide to user management and ordering. If you see an option that is not available to you but you're interested in using it, please contact your account manager to upgrade. Allocated licenses means the number of employees or team members that you have given Boost access to or granted a license to. Add more single-use licenses. If you run out of licenses to give to your employees or team, you can always buy more by clicking this link. The card ID is the user's Boost card ID number. The card status will be pending, requested, ordered, printed, or expired. Requested means we have received your request. Ordered means we have ordered the cards to be printed. Printed means we have printed your cards. And expired means the card has expired or you have disabled the user. The app ID is the user's Boost app ID number. The app status will be pending, ready to use, invited, authenticated, or expired. Authenticated means that the user has registered and logged into the Boost app. Expired means that the app has expired or you have disabled the user. PIN is the user's PIN number to register for Boost. Edit allows you to edit the name of the user. Download active users will download a CSV of all your active users on Boost. The app invite email send date is the date that we will send the app invite to your users. Set this date after you have added all your users. The email will be sent at 10 AM on the date you specify. Once this date has passed, any users you add will be sent the invite to the app at 10 AM. To add a new user, watch our How to Add Users video. First, select the checkbox next to the user or users you want to replace the card of. Then click the red Actions button and select Replace Card. This will send the selected users a new Boost card. For every user you have selected, one single-use license will be used. If you're sure you want to proceed, click Yes. A confirmation pop-up will show saying new cards have been sent. You can now close the pop-up. First, you will need to select the checkbox next to the user or users that you want to invite to the app. Then click the red Actions button and select Send App Invite. This will send the selected users an invitation and login information to the Boost app. If you're sure you want to do this, click Yes. This will send the app invite email to the selected user or users. You can then click Close. Select the checkbox next to the user whose card you want to disable. Then click the red Actions button and select Disable. This will remove the user from Boost completely. If you want to reactivate at a later date, you will need to use one of your single-use licenses per user. If you're sure you want to disable the selected users, click Yes. This will disable the users completely and they will now appear greyed out on the user management screen.